Since its launch, the 49ers EDU program has impacted over 500,000 students across the Bay Area, and we've received national recognition for our work through STEM education.
The need for data and AI skills is growing faster than ever. That's why NetApp is so excited to partner with the 49ers EDU to bring students the chance to be face-to-face with the power of real-time data. And that's using the same intelligent data infrastructure that drives enterprise innovation.
Levi Stadium opened as the world's most connected stadium. Today with NetApp, we're becoming the world's most intelligent stadium, where every decision is driven by real-time data. From keeping lines short to powering the largest outdoor 4K video boards in sports, with NetApp, we're using intelligent data to transform the fan experience.
We came in today to learn a lot about data analytics, and we're partnered up with NetApp, and it's been extremely amazing. It's fascinating to learn about how data analytics comes in so many different types and careers.
We try to prioritize Title I schools, so the under-resourced, underfunded schools, to be able to come here, because sometimes those students are the ones that don't get to come to a game or a stadium, but when they come on a field trip, they feel like VIPs getting to learn all the ins and outs of the stadium, the 49ers, and even NetApp.
It sparks new possibilities for future careers throughout the Bay Area and beyond.